What's up guys, it's Chris with Globus Gates and I'm here with Chris, the owner of this wonderful house. We just did this beautiful fence in front with the slim aluminum slats. Chris, what are your thoughts about the job?
Oh man, the transformation is amazing. From before and after, I couldn't ask for anything more.
Man, I was here when the whole front yard was like just dirt, nothing else. You were redoing the concrete and now it just looks, what, one of the best houses here in the neighborhood, I think.
Yeah.
Right?
I would say it's pretty close. It's up there.
All the houses are like a little bit outdated, but yours looks so modern with that siding on the house, which is aluminum as well, wood looking.
Those guys are great to work with too.
Yep. And then we have a couple of gates, the side gates. We'll do a quick walk around this job as well. We'll show you in detail what we did for this job. But I think the job came out to be amazing, right?
Oh yeah. Yeah, I can't believe how fast you guys put it in. From nothing, they rolled up with everything in their van to 2 days later, this.
I was aiming for 3 days, but 2, yeah, it's kind of
It was, I think the second day was a long day. They didn't leave until like 6:30 or something. So, but
still fast.
oh yeah, no, I couldn't believe it. They did not mess around.